What's up, YouTube? This is Too Raw for TV. So LeBron James crept closer to his quest for immortality, 5,000 career turnovers, with 3 additional cough-ups today in a blowout loss to the Orlando Magic. Now, LeBron James had some great numbers overall on the surface. I think he had like 24 points, I think 8 rebounds, 5 assists. Some of those numbers look good on the surface, but, there's something to some of those numbers, but I don't want to get into it in this particular video. I think the main reason why they lost is the lack of production from their starting small forward Cam Reddish, and the inability of D'Angelo Russell, to knock down jump shots, especially three-pointers. D'Lo went 4-17 from the floor, including a pathetic 1 of 10 from downtown. And when you combine that with Cam Reddish only going for 2 points, their starting shooting guard, their starting point guard and small forward combined to go 5 of 22 from the floor, including just 1 of 11 from downtown. That's not going to help things, especially when you have a guy like LeBron James who's not playing any defense anymore. Pretty much LeBron's job on defense is to get as close to the basket as possible so that he can corral a defensive rebound to pad his numbers. But I'll talk more about that in another video coming up. So LeBron now has 4,991 turnovers, pushing him further and further ahead of second place Karl Malone. Truly an outstanding moment of mediocrity for LeBron James.